Hi everyone, my name's Haley Hevel and this is a quick video to go with my reflection talking about the ePortfolio and my initial thoughts. So after reading through the syllabus, there was a lot for me to take in, and my initial thoughts is that it's going to be a lot and that it's going to be difficult. And I really liked that the course was set up so it's just a little bit at a time, and it looks like there's a 2-week period for each group of tasks, it seems. So I like that it seems like I can kind of work at my own pace and that things need to be done in a timely manner, but that they're pretty spread out, and each week kind of gives you little reminders about what's coming up. My prejudices going in is that this is going to be something that's going to take a lot of my patience. When I don't understand something right away, I get a little bit frustrated and have a hard time sticking with it in a sense of like wanting to get it right and get it done perfectly, and sometimes that will overwhelm me and I'll get a little frustrated. So I'm coming into this knowing that this is probably going to frustrate me, and I just really have to work on my patience level and taking a step back from it when I need it, since we have the whole semester for this one course. I'm pretty used to the 8-week courses, and so that's nice that this is the whole 16 weeks to really have the time to do this correctly. And my initial thoughts are just that it's going to be something that I need to work at, and something that I'm going to need to lean on my peers for things when I don't understand, and my professor. So I'm right there with ya. Hope we can do it.